Now we will study what rolls and what slides. Students, look at this picture. Some children are rolling and some are sliding things in a park. Let's know which types of object can roll and which types of object can slide. Let's do this experiment. For this experiment, I have a ball, a lemon and a tomato. So, to do this experiment, we need a slide. So, I have made the slide. See students, I have kept a box. And a clipboard. You can keep a book in the place of clipboard. Let's see what happened with them. First, roll. All these three items roll because objects that are round will roll. The objects that are round will rolled. Now let's know which objects can slide. For this experiment, I have a sharpener, a color box and a pencil box. So let's do this experiment. Slide. Students, all these items slided. You know why? Why they slided? Because their surface is flat. So, what do we learn from this experiment? We learn that objects that are round will roll and objects with flat surface will slide. Now children, do you know there are some things which can both roll or slide? For this experiment, I have a coin and a bottle cap. Let's check them. For this experiment, when I will keep it from flat surface, it will be slide. Look. And when I will keep it from round surface, it will be rolled. Now when I will keep it from flat surface, it will be slide. And when I will keep it from round surface, it will be roll. Now students, we know about it that which things can roll and which things can slide. Now you do practice for 4 things. Take 4 things and do experiment that which things can slide and which things can roll. Thank you.